Doto mobile trading. Today we're going to look at this app and see how it works, and also should you trust it? Is it legit? Is it scam? And when you read about it, they say, are you tired of guessing market moves? Let the AI do the heavy lifting. In other words, actually, this app currently it's integrated with the AI to help you do the marketing stuff. You install Doto and trade with the AI-powered market predictions across over 1,000 plus instruments, okay, stocks and all that stuff, okay. So to someone who is new to this app, I think I can say, just as you know, this is trading, even if there's AI involved into it. What I can advise if you're coming into trading, especially if you're kind of a new person, I think try out with kind of a minimum amount and see how it goes. Don't really go for all your savings, and because this is trading, even if it's AI, still AI is it's an AI, but still it's not really that so perfect. They have some good reviews, some 5 stars. The AI feature is not that so bad as I thought. Just keep in mind they should analyze the market fast and use with caution. AI can predict those sucker moves, but I feel Doto is one of the best trading apps that is free, no subscription needed, which I love. And even now it's being improved. They kind of reply to comments, so I have a feeling like their support is really good. So for some of you guys who are into trading, I think you have to check out this app. Okay. Yeah. I can't say it's scam because I tried to search online. I don't see really people who are being scammed by this app. So I can say right now, as of the doing of this review, I feel they are good to go. And if you're a trader, you can check them out. Okay. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in app reviews like this. Okay. Bye bye.